Hi friends, now we are going to talk about how will I know in a customer I am going that work management has already been configured by just going into their system. Okay, this is very important because you are going to move to a project which has been already using SAP and they are probably moving to S4, but you need to know whether they use work management or not. You very easily you can know. You just go to this table AUFK, and I went to SE16. You can go to 16N, SE16N, SE16H, whatever you are, and you go to AUFK, and here you select number of entries. If there is entries, that means there is a big chance that there is work order as well as internal orders that has been created. Okay, so from there you know that they are using plant maintenance, or in other people words, they say work management configured in the system. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel and happy SAP learning, and have a great day.